Afternoon, this is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. I'm sitting in front of the beautiful fountain in downtown Rockingham, where this area will host DJ Eric Whitfield and Mel and Friends with live music tonight for a fair on the square. It will be from 5 to 8 p.m. and this is the first affair on the square for this year. It is a spring social sidewalk festival. Vendors will line the streets, and also the shops here in downtown will be open and have specials, some even having prizes that you can enter to win. Patton's and Henry's and Hudson Brothers will all have food. Make sure to look online for more details and check out the Facebook and Instagram pages of the shops here downtown to see their specials. This event is courtesy of the Rockingham Downtown Corporation and the City of Rockingham. So come out tonight, shop some unique craft and artisan vendors and our local shops, get some food and enjoy the live music that will be where I am right now tonight here in downtown Rockingham. Also tonight in Hamlet, Axe to Grind is going to have a special comedy night. You can find out more information and the comedians that will be there on the Axe to Grind Facebook or Instagram page. Today is day one of the Modern Street HEMI Shootout at Rockingham Dragway. This is day one of 3, so if you are unable to attend today, you still have Friday and Saturday and Sunday to make an appearance and see all the HEMIs that will be in town to compete in the shootout. Also tonight, Bow Tie Karaoke will be at Hideaway Tavern in Rockingham. Tomorrow, Friday, May the 12th, it is TGIFriday. Food trucks on Main in Hamlet. There will be food trucks in the Visitor Center parking lot starting at 11 a.m. and they will be there until 7 p.m. They also have a car cruise-in that starts at 4 p.m. You can find out which trucks are going to be on site on the Hamlet Depot and Museums Facebook page and also the Visit Hamlet NC Facebook page. That night, there will be Beach Bingo around the corner at Axe to Grind. And here in Rockingham, the Safety Committee will be at Hudson Brothers, and over at Double Vision, they will have Eric Whitfield. And then at the lounge at Godfathers in Rockingham, they have their specials for the ladies on Friday night. This Saturday, May the 13th, there's a Mother's Day brunch that will be at Hamlet Depot and Museums. That is at 11 a.m. At Nerdy Collective, also in Hamlet, they will have a Pokemon meetup. And at Axe to Grind, they will have music bingo that starts at 4 p.m. Down the street from Axe to Grind at Froget's Trading Post, the Richmond County Yarn Club will meet at 4:30. And at the Richmond County Rescue Squad, ACPW Shane Martin Memorial Show will start with doors opening around 6 p.m. This is a wrestling event held at the Richmond County Rescue Squad building off of Rockingham Road in Rockingham. That night, there will be live music with Jonathan Robinson performing at Double Vision. Also on Saturday, the TLC's annual Catfish Tournament kicks off. You can find out more information on the Mad Cats Facebook page or Facebook group about this annual catfishing tournament that will last from Saturday until Sunday, which is Mother's Day. Also Saturday night, Bow Tie Karaoke will be in Hamlet at Hail Mary's Tavern. Next week, starting on Wednesday, May the 17th, the circus is back in town. Zerbini Family Circus will be at Rockingham Speedway. They will be there from Wednesday the 17th until May the 20th. You can find out more information on the Rockingham Speedway website about the Zerbini Family Circus and also purchase tickets. Another date to remember coming up, May 25th. There is a Business After 5 event. This is a joint effort from the Richmond County Chamber of Commerce and the City of Rockingham, and it will be hosted at Rockingham Dragway. There will be food, live music with Eric Hawks, and much more, maybe even some passes down the newly repaved drag strip. This event starts at 5:30 and will go until 7:30. It is open to the public, and we encourage you to go to Rockingham Dragway if you have yet to see all of the updates and renovations that are going on and have already been completed. This is your chance to see that and also meet the new owners on May the 25th, which is a Thursday from 5:30 until 7:30. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Visit Richmond County NC. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County. On Instagram, Richmond Tourism. We are also on Twitter, Richmond County, North Carolina. And that is the RCTDA, short for Richmond County Tourism Development Authority. We hope to see you out and about. And if not, we'll definitely see you next week.